Arrays. Array is a data type that contains a collection of data of the same type. When creating an array, we need to determine the amount of data that the array can hold. The array's capacity cannot be increased after the array is created. Declaring an array. var int array 5int. Var, this keyword, is used to declare variables in Go. Int array, this is the name given to the array. 5int, this part, specifies that int array is an array of integers, and it has a fixed size of 5. In the Go programming language, we have created an array named countries. To initiate the array, we utilize the var keyword, followed by the array name, square brackets indicating the array size, and the data type of the array elements. For instance, we added the values USA, Japan, and UK to the array at indices 0, 1, and 2, respectively. By running the program, we observe the results to confirm that the array has been successfully initialized. Values have been added at specified indices, and the complete array has been printed. Now we will print all the array values that we have created. Array declaration can be used. The statement initializes an array X of type int with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The length of the array is explicitly set to 5, and the values are provided in the specified order within curly braces. When using ellipses in array initialization, Go automatically determines the size of the array based on the number of elements provided within the curly braces. In this example, the size of the array is not explicitly mentioned, and Go infers the size from the number of elements provided. Here, the array E is of type int and has a size of 3, as there are elements within the curly braces. Exercises. Number 1. Declare an array named numbers with integer values 1 to 5. Print the array. Number 2. Declare an array named fruits with 3 string values representing fruits. Print the second element of the array. Number there. Declare an array named ages with integer values. Modify the third element of the array to a new value and print the updated array. In response to the first question, we have initialized an array named numbers using the Go programming language syntax. The array is declared to have a size of 5 and is of the integer data type. Within the array declaration, we have provided 5 integer values to populate the array. Following the declaration, the program prints the contents of the numbers array. This ensures that the array is limited to a size of 5 as specified and contains the assigned integer values. In response to the second question, an array named fruits has been created in the Go programming language. The array is defined to have a size of 3 and consists of elements of the string data type. Specifically, the array is initialized with the values apple, banana, and orange. Subsequently, the program prints the second element of the fruits array by accessing index 1, which corresponds to the value banana. This example illustrates the creation of a string array in Go, showcasing the ability to assign values during initialization and retrieve specific elements using index notation. In response to the final question, an array named ages has been created in the Go programming language. This array is defined to have a size of 4 and consists of elements of the integer data type. Initially, the array is initialized with the values 25, 30, 35, and 40. Subsequently, the program modifies the third element of the ages array by updating its value to 36. This demonstrates the capability of Go to dynamically change the values of specific elements within an array. Finally, the program prints the entire ages array, showcasing the updated values.